Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will start chapter number 2 of 7th class math. Here we will see that question number 1, which of the following are rational numbers. As we know that rational numbers are those numbers which have either positive or negative sign or any fraction form. These are called rational numbers. You will see in here that first part is 3 and 3 is a rational number because it has a positive sign. Second part is 3 by 1. It is a fraction form, so it is also a rational numbers. Firstly, I have explained that any number which have a positive or negative sign or any fractional quantity is called a rational number. You will see here that first, second, fourth are 5 and 6 are rational numbers. 5, 6 are rational numbers. Next one is now here is the question is that write down the following rational numbers as integers. Rational number means that you will see here that all the numbers, all the quantities are written here in the fraction form. You have to integers mean either plus sign or negative sign. Either plus sign or negative sign. Here we will say that 7 by 1 is equal to 7, minus 5 by 1 is equal to minus 5, and minus 9 by 1 is equal to minus 9, and minus 21 by minus 21 minus 1 is equal to 21, and this is an integer. Next one question is question number 4. Write down the rational numbers whose numerator is 15.4 and whose denominator is 37 multiplied by minus 2. We will see here that this rational number is only minus 11 by 74, and second part here is that express the above rational number with a positive denominator. We have to express the above the first part, the answer of the first part is minus 11 by 74, and we have to express it in the form of the positive denominator. Positive denominator means that we have to write here 11 by 74. Next question is question number 5. Express minus 3 by 7 as a rational number whose numerator is 6. For numerator is the value which is written above value of any fraction is called the numerator. Here we will solve it by multiplying both numerator and denominator by minus 2. When we multiply minus 2 on denominator and numerator, then we will get 6 in numerator. Next question is question number 6. Express minus 2 by 5 minus 5 as a rational number whose denominator is whose denominator is first part is 5 and fraction is minus 2 by minus 5. It means that in the place of minus 5 we have to written here that 5. For this purpose we will multiply both denominator and numerator by minus 1. After multiplying we will get 2 by 5, and 5 in denominator is our required of question. Next one is question number 7. Express the following rational numbers with a positive denominator. Positive denominator means the value which is below in fraction below the by is our denominator. Positive denominator part is minus 7 over 1, and we will write here minus 7 by 1. 1 is a denominator and it is written here in positive form. Next question is represent the following rational numbers on the number line. We have to represent the rational numbers in number line. As we will see that we know that in number line, in center we will write the 0. On the right side we will write the positive integers, and on the left side we will write the minus negative integers. We have to represent here minus 2, so we will denote exactly at minus 2. Next exercise is exercise 2b, and we will solve here question number 2. Express the following rational numbers in standard form. In standard Standard form means we will simplify it and remove either we will cut its minus and negative signs. In this fraction we will see that question is minus 11 over minus 13. minus 11 over minus 13 minus fraction में हमारे पास we see here that fraction both numerator and denominator have a negative sign, so we will cut both negative signs and we will get 11 by 13. Next method, second method is we will multiply both numerator and denominator by minus 1 and we will get 11 by 13. Next question is question number 5. Question number 5 is fill in the blanks by using the correct symbol out of smaller than, equal to, or bigger than. Multiply by here we will see that question is minus 7 by 12, empty box minus 5 by 8. Multiply minus 7 by 12 by 2. Both numerator and denominator multiply by 2, and in multiply minus 5 by 8 by 3. We will get here that we will here equal the denominators of both the fractions. So we will multiply here 2 and first fraction by 2 and second fraction by 3. In first fraction we will get minus 14 by 24 and in second fraction we will get minus 15 by 24. If we see here then the negative sign minus 14 is smaller, 14 is smaller. We will consider it smaller, and 15 in positive we will consider it bigger. In negative signs the reverse will occur. Minus 14 is greater and minus 15 is smaller. So we will write here the sign of minus greater towards the minus 14. Next question is now we will see exercise C and question number 2. Add the following 3 by 5 and minus 2 by 5 and written here the sign plus. Both the fractions have same denominator and we will write here only one fraction 3 minus 2 by 5 and we will get the 1 by. Next question is simplify the given fraction. Minus 7 by 9 plus 2 by 7. Firstly we will write here the we will try to equate similar their denominator. So we will multiply both first denominator by 7 and second denominator by 9. For next we will say that first equation we will multiply both denominator and numerator and denominator by 7, and second fraction we will multiply it by 9, both numerator and denominator by 9. We will get minus 49 plus 18 over 63 and the answer is minus 31 over 63. Question number 5 is find the values of minus 6 over 7 minus 2 over 7. Here is written minus with 2 and a negative sign is written separately here. Minus will multiply with minus and here we will write the sign of plus sign. So the next step is minus 6 plus 2 over 7 minus 4 over 7 is our answer. Next question is question number 6. Simplify the given. Here is that 3 over 7 plus 5 over 9 plus 2 over 3. First we will take their LCM of the denominator and we will get 63. For 63, for first denominator 3 we will multiply it 9. For second numerator 5 we will multiply it 7 and third we will multiply it 21. How we will get it? Add the table of 7, first fraction 63 will come at 9. Add the table of 9, 63 will come at 7. So we will multiply 5 by 7. Add the table of 3, 63 will come at 21. Now we will add all of these fractions and we will get the all of these numbers and we will get the 104 over 63. Next question is question number 7. Multiply 4 over 15 by 3 over 8. If we will multiply 4 to 3 and 15 to 8, then we will get 12 over 120 After that we will cut 12 to 12 ones are 12 and 12 ones are 12 and 0 is left. So 1 over 1 0 is answer. Next question is simplify the following. Minus 8 over 5 into 3 over 5 plus bracket 7 over 8 into minus 16 over 25. Here we will solve it first. First bracket we will cut 4 with 8 and in second bracket there is not any cutting. 2 over 5 into 3 over 1 plus 7 over 8 8 की कटिंग करेंगे हम 16 के साथ, तो हमारे पास क्या आ जाएगा 7 over 1 into 2 over 25. Now we will multiply 2 by 3 and 5 by 1 and 7 by 2 and 1 by 25. Now we will get 6 over 5 plus 14 over minus 14 over 25. 6 को 5 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और 14 को 1 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हमारा आंसर क्या आ जाएगा minus 44 over 25. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज सिंप्लीफाई minus 14 divide by bracket minus 2 over 5. When we will open the bracket and convert the divide sign to the multiply sign, then we will get 2 divide by 4 and we will get 2 minus 2 is into minus 5, then it comes to 10.